a summer's day when I first saw Kirkle Bay, and the beauty of that scene I'll ne'er forget. There was magic, there was mystery, there was friendship all around, and the welcome that I've never ever met. Kirkwall Bay, oh bonny Kirkwall Bay, friends all standing on the shore. Yes, you'll always shed a tear when the boat is drawing near, for it's great to be back home in Kirkwall Bay. When I landed on this island, I did tarry.
English England have weaned our young nation. Our coronation stolen to England, our independent kirk led by English priests, our army defeated at Dunbar, English garrisons in our castles, English administration in our towns, our King John imprisoned in London, and Berwick, where Edward sat after murdering every man, woman and child of that tragic border town. Sat while every Scottish noble, knight and clergyman swore fealty to him, not me, not William Wallace, never, never to oppose anyone who threatens our nation and our liberty.
that save a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Twas grace that brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. When we